All right, boys, what is up? Trade recap of the day. Pretty simple trading day today. I'm going to go over everything right now. All right. Long story short, buy also. All right. So I want to show two things to you guys so you guys can understand my current dilemma because I'm in some weird shit right now. With Lucid, which is the prop firm I've been trading for the last literally 5 months nonstop. Lucid is my favorite prop firm by far. Literally the only prop I've been trading the last 5 months. They moved me to live. Okay, so I can't copy and paste that image. It's too big. So this is what my accounts say because I'm on live now. I'm waiting for my live account to be created. They said it should take a week or two. So while I wait for that, I was like, fuck, I can trade Top Step. My Top Step accounts hit daily loss limit because they have a daily loss limit and a consistency rule that is making me make like $4,000. So it's cooked, right? So I realized Alpha came out with their new premium accounts. So I copped 5 of them and I have passed them and a little more. So I fucked it. I have to make 1,700 now. But yeah, I basically have passed Alpha's new premium plan, which is a very, very, very good plan, by the way. I fuck with these heavy. Their rules are literally 5 winning days. You take out 50% of your account up to $6,000. So $6,000 payout cap, 5 winning days, no consistency rule. It's the same shit as a Lucid Flexes. No daily loss limit, no consistency. You just make your money and keep it. So I have passed 5 of them. Right. I alerted. If you guys are not in the free Discord, join the free Discord. I'm going to start alerting all of my buys to that Discord, right? The free Discord is going to get everything from now on. I send the free Discord an alert this morning saying, hey, bias is bullish to Asian highs, right? So very clean sweep of these lows into a 4-hour gap, right? We also swooped this low right here, respect it, push higher. What do we create here? This is now a breaker block. How do we respect that? Beautifully. Right. I also have ES pulled up now, so I could look for SMTs because my shit was cooked before. I would miss SMTs because I had ES on a separate tab like this, right? Let me delete this shit. Fugazi. All I need is this. Alright. I had ES on a separate tab and it was making me miss a lot of SMTs. Alright. Long story short, no cut the yap. We tap into OTE 0.618 of this range. We tap into what? A 15-minute bullish gap. Now I tried entering here. I literally tried entering here. And I didn't have a credit card on Alpha Futures. So I couldn't buy the fucking accounts. This was going to be my entry. I'm not even exaggerating. To London highs. As you see here, we edge London. Then we have midnight, and then we have Asia. And by the time I bought my accounts, price was already trading all the way up here. So I was like, I'm not going to FOMO into this bitch. What do I wait for? A retrace. A retrace into what? 0.5 of this range. We now push higher. I wanted to enter off this. Once again, price just rips without me. I'm not going to enter here. So what do I wait for? Again, I wait for another 0.5, 0.618, and bang. Sorry, like this. Entry like this, targeting. I took profit here to meet consistency rules, and I still didn't meet them. I still made more money than I should have. But this is the actual trade idea, and I literally alerted my Discord pre-market. If you guys want to be part of the free Discord, there's literally no reason not to be. I host giveaways, and I'm going to start giving away daily buys. Right? Let me show you guys how it works. 9:18 a.m. bias is bullish to Asian highs. So right when I was looking for longs here, I told people I'm looking for longs to Asian highs. And then at 9:31, I said I'm done for the day. Why? Because at 9:31, I was done for the fucking day. We hit TP. Right? So if you guys are not in the free Discord, join that shit. You get a lot of free value, a lot of giveaways. I'm going to start giving you guys daily buys as well. But with that being said, the trade for the day was very simple. It was based off 0.5 of the range, getting respected. We then pushed higher, created an IFEG, made this a breaker block. There was also a 5-minute gap down here that got respected. Right, so we had a 5-minute gap. 5-minute gap, OTE. And then there was no 5-minute gap here, but still clean. Enough yap. I hope you guys all have a blessed day, a nice weekend. I will be uploading the challenge video tomorrow, updating you guys on the live account, updating you guys on everything, and I will see you boys then. Peace out.